Okay. Kabataan. Let's go. Kabataan. We are kabataan. Kakabataan Pinoy.
Hello Philippines and hello world! This is another day for our housemates to face another challenge given by Big Brother. This challenge will test their knowledge in mathematics, specifically in the topic gathering and organizing data. Now, for our viewers' information. Data is a collection of information gathered by observation, questioning, and measurement. There are two classes of data, the qualitative, which describes quality or characteristics through collecting questionnaires, interviews, and observation. The second is a quantitative data expressing a certain quantity, amount, or range. These are further classified into four types. The nominal data, a data that can be labeled or classified into mutually exclusive categories within a variable. For example, gender, race, hair color, or a group of people. Second, the ordinal data, the type of data which the values follow in natural order. For example, socioeconomic status, rank, and education qualification. Discrete data and information that can only take certain values, just like the number of students, number of children, and the shoe size. And lastly, the continuous data, a data that can take any values just like height, weight, and temperature.
First question. What is the characteristics that is being studied? It varies across individuals and objects. It includes age, race, gender, intelligence, personality type, and etc. Question. The correct answer is variables. Second is, this is a type of variable where it represents differences in quality, character, or kind but not in amount. The correct answer is qualitative variable. This is a type of variable where it is numerical in nature and can be ordered and ranked, like weight, height, age, text, and etc. The correct answer is quantitative variable. Give me the two categories of quantitative variables, where the first one is a variable whose values can be counted and using integral values. The other one is a variable that can assume any numerical value over an interval or intervals. Okay. The correct answer is discrete and continuous variables. Now enumerate me the three kinds of presentation, where the first one is written in text, next is through tables, and the last one is in a graphical way. Okay, time's up. No one was able to answer it, but the answer is textual, graphical, and tabular presentations.
Where am I? Am I in a maze? How can I get out of these enormous walls? And what about this paper? Why am I holding this one? These are a set of data that you can use to pass those doors. Really? Oh, this is the door. What was written in here? Find the mean. Using the data you have, add them all and divide its answer to how many numbers you got on the set of data. Okay, so the answer is 4. Wow, yes, I got the answer. Oh, there's another door. Okay. To get the median, you should make your data in order from least to greatest. Then you find the middle, and if it is in even numbers, identify both numbers that is in the middle. Add those two numbers together and divide them into 2. Oh, wait. So the median is 3.5. Thank you, it's open. So I think this is the final door. Find the mode. Find the most common number. First is make your list of sets in order, from least to greatest. See if there are any numbers that are the same. The most numbers that are the same are the mode. Oh, wait, I have to this data. So the answer is 2. Oh, it's open.
It's the measure, or it is the other measure that divide the distribution into 100, 4, or 10 equal parts. This is also the other measures of positions. Notice the other measure of the positions. It is the percentile, quartile, and decile. In general, the significance of one observed value in a data set depends on, I think it depends on how that value compares to the other observed value in a data set. Therefore, wish to attach to each observed value a number that measures its relative position. Oh, I see. Percentile refers in a scale of 100 that indicates the percent of a distribution. And also percentile is also called as centile. And it is used to measure in statistic indicating the value below which a given percentage of observations in a group of observations fall. It can be calculated by the ratio of the number of values below x to the total of values. Percentile formula is given as percentile is equal to the number of values below total number of values times 100. Oh, now we're on the quartile. Quartile is a statistical term that describes a divisions of observation into 4 defined intervals based on the values of the data and how they compare to the entire set of observations. Quartiles divide the entire set into 4 equal parts. So there are 3 quartiles, first, second, and the third represents by Q1, Q2, and Q3. Respectively, Q2 is nothing but the median since it indicates the position of the item in the list and thus is a positional average. Oh, the decile is also a quantitative method. It is use of splitting up a set of ranked data into 10 equally large. This type of data ranking is performed as part of many academic and statistical studies in the finance and economics fields. The data may be ranked from largest to smallest values or vice versa. Yes, and it is used to assign decile ranks to a dataset. A decile rank arranges to data in order from lowest to highest and is done on a scale of 1 to 10, where each successive numbers correspond to an increase of 10 percentage points. In other words, there are 9 decile points.